Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install DeepSeek AI with WebUI on Ubuntu 24.04. Before installing any software, update the system packages to make sure everything is up to date. Continue to install the required dependencies for DeepSeek and WebUI. Next, create a directory for WebUI and navigate to it. Ollama is a tool for managing and running AI models. Now, install Ollama by running the following command. Continue to verify the installation and check the status of the Ollama service. Next, pull the DeepSeek model using Ollama. You can also choose another available version depending on your server resources. List the available models to verify the download. Now, run the DeepSeek model. If the model starts successfully, DeepSeek is ready to use with Ollama. Create a virtual environment for WebUI. Continue to activate the virtual environment. Now, install WebUI. Next, create a systemd service file to manage WebUI. Continue to add the following content to the file. Save and close the file. Then, reload the systemd daemon. Continue to enable and start the WebUI service. After that, check the service status. Now, once the service is running, open your web browser and go to the following URL. You should see the WebUI interface. From there, you can interact with the DeepSeek model through your browser.